Greetings, comrades. Bobcat here in the Art Mind Studios under renovation. I am, as of last check, 5 simple subscribers away from 500 subscribers. And it would be super awesome if you could help get me over that line. Not that it means anything significant statistically to me, it's just like, that's a cool number. And I can say, hey, look at that. We did that together. Yes, only 5. And to celebrate that 500 mark, I'm going to do a question and answer video. If you have any burning questions that you want to ask little old me about anything at all, screw it, why not? Go nuts. Ask them. Leave them in the comments below. Send me an email. Find me on social media, whatever. But send me your questions about anything in the world, and I will do my very best to answer them as best I can. And also, I wanted to show you this. Check this out. This is called the drywall lift. Let me show you up real quick. These ceilings are 13 feet from the concrete to the ceiling. 13-foot ceiling, a couple inches. But I tried, I got some scaffolding and a ladder strapped to it. I can reach the ceilings, but I tried to hoist even these 1/4-inch panels of drywall up and hold it up and attach it, and I almost fell off that. It was hilarious if you were here and not me. So I decided to spend about 200 and change. This was the cheapest drywall jack I could find off of eBay, and you get what you pay for, but it works. And I've already found a buyer for when I'm done with this to give me a couple of bucks for it. So it will still be cheaper than renting one. So consider sometimes if you need a specialty tool to do a thing, consider buying the tool, doing the thing, and then selling it used later. Give somebody a good discount, maybe cheaper than renting it, and you know you've got a brand new tool to do the job. And what this thing does, I mean, it's a tilting panel. Let's see if this is spinning all the way around. And it's just a cable hoist, and it's got these side arms that actually go even further. I think this can hold either a 10 or 12-foot panel. This is 4 feet by 8 feet. And so yeah, tilt the panel down, hoist up your drywall onto it, tilt it flat, and then, crank away. And crank and crank and crank. And keep cranking and keep cranking. And look nervously down at the seat mechanics because it starts making a noise. It's fine. You got the brake here. Put a little tension on it, pick up the brake, and you can lower this. I'm actually going to lower it because this is not where I need it to be attached to the ceiling. But let me tell you, hey, there we go. 1, you get what you pay for. But it, like I said, it does the job. But 2, so I got this, thank you. I got this delivered Thursday, Friday. I put it together Saturday morning, and I'm already 2/3 done with the ceiling in the studio, slapping up drywall onto it. This has saved me a tremendous amount of danger, heartbreak, and frankly money, because if I couldn't get one of these for whatever reason and wasn't able to do this, I have to hire somebody, and that's even more money. So anyway, yeah, drywall lift. Consider getting specialty tools new and then selling them on again later. Maybe cheaper than renting them. And yeah, submit your questions to the old channel. I hope you are safe and well fed wherever you are. I wish you mucho amor. If you're actually doing work under one of these things, safety glasses must. I would also recommend a hard hat or a bump hat because you're soft and squishy right here. So yeah, anyway, check it out.